Often I receive messages or comments about the frosting I use for piping flowers. There is no secret to it. It's a simple ganache recipe, which I am using for many years for frosting and decorating cakes and different types of desserts. Here I am sharing my white chocolate ganache recipe. On kitchen scale, measure 12 ounces of white chocolate and 4 ounces of heavy whipping cream. Make sure to measure the ingredients properly, otherwise, results will not accurate in the end. Heat up the whipping cream to boiling point. You can heat up on the stove or 30 seconds in microwave. Pour this hot cream over chocolate chunks. Leave it for 2 minutes on room temperature. After 2-3 minutes, mix it until no chocolate chunks left and turn into creamy mixture. If you like, you can use electric immersion blender for this. Cover and let it sit on the room temperature for 5 hours. If temperature is hot in your kitchen, then put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After sitting on room temperature for 5 hours, this frosting is ready. Frost and pipe your cakes or dessert however you like. Use gel food colors for staining this frosting. If you have any questions regarding this recipe, kindly ask in the comments below. I'm rushing these flower piping clips. If you'd like me to make piping flowers videos, then let me know in the comments below. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe for upcoming videos. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.